Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm so glad that you're here today. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Please like, comment, and subscribe down below and ring the bell for notifications for when I go live, when new exciting things are happening on my channel. I'm sure that I would love for you to know when that is, so please help a sister out. And today I've got a huge haul, and it's from late December into this month of January. It's a lot of stuff. I'm supposed to be on a low buy, but it just seems that I just can't control myself. My shopping is your gain because you get to see all this cool stuff. I think it's cool anyway. Let's reach in, and this is the first thing that I have here, and this is from the Hank and Henry brush subscription, and you get between 6 to 8 brushes in this subscription plus a bonus item. And these are the brushes this month. I'm not gonna undo them. There are a lot of contour brushes, and this is an eyeshadow brush right here, but I got I got 2 more brushes in here. So I got a big fistful of brushes. I'm so delicate and coordinated with that. And on top of the brushes, I got a special eyeshadow, and it is a luster liquid. I'm gonna open this bad boy up. And it's got the cute little owl for the night owls. And it is a gorgeous pink shade. It's a very sweet little pink shimmer there. And it'll be great to pop in the center of an eyelid or on its own just for a soft glossy eye. So that was all for $25. I mean, these brushes are not inexpensive, and they're great quality. So that is fantastic. So that is the first thing that I'm showing you here today. I do have more brushes that I have received. And I'm just going to show you all the brushes at first. I also ordered my first natural hair brushes from Refer. And these are them, and these are high quality Japanese made brushes, and I've heard nothing but fantastic things about them, and they're so nice that I'm kind of afraid to use them. But it's supposed to change my makeup game from acrylic, or not acrylic, but synthetic brushes to using natural hair brushes. And I've got this set on sale for half price, and I just had to do it just because I heard so much good stuff. So I also got 3 IT brushes. Or I'm sorry, yes, 3 IT brushes. No, that's a unit brush. I can't count. But I got 2 IT brushes that were on sale at Ulta, and these are great blending brushes and shading brushes. And then also when I ordered those Refer brushes, I got a couple of unit brushes, and these are Beautylicious brand of brushes, and they're really, really nice. And this is a great for getting in the crease. These are some great brushes. And then I also got 3 brushes from my foodie set that I got last month. They were on back order, and these are supposed to be very nice, and these are from Glamlight. So I got a ton of brushes this month for sure. So the brush, that's all the brushes, but that's a lot of brushes to get in a month, or even just a few weeks. First up, I'm going to show you the Sorceress palette that I found through another YouTube channel, and it's from Jolie Beauty. And once I saw this, it's this from a channel called Emily Boo, and she is this goth chick that lives in England. And she got this palette for Christmas, and she showed the palette in her Christmas haul video. And I was like, oh my God, that color story totally speaks my language. But wait, there's more. There's some duochromes. Look at those. You can't really see the duochrome, but the bottom's purple and blue, and the green is like a teal and green, and it's hard to tell the duochrome part of it, but they're just swatched beautifully, and it's just a gorgeous, gorgeous palette. And it's sold out now because I put it on my Instagram and people were like, where did you get that palette? And people looked and it was sold out, but maybe they'll get it back in stock. And this is from Jolie Beauty. It came all the way from, I think, Birmingham in the UK. Birmingham. That's also where Duran Duran is from, which, if you know, I just did a big old story about Duran Duran on Beauties and the Beat. Next up, I got a couple of milk palettes, and I've always been interested in this rust palette, and I got it from Sephora. And Porcelain, one of the YouTubers, she's young and she's funky, and I really like her, and she loves this palette, so I was like, I need to try it because she loves it. And look at that beautiful color story. And it's definitely got the fall grungy vibes, and I'm totally down with grunge. And look at that mustard, that's fantastic. So I got this Melt palette. I also got the brand new Melt Blueprint palette, which I have on my eyes right now. I'm not sure which video is going up first, this one or the Blueprint look. But this is very beautiful, and you can definitely tell that I've been all up in it. Afterpay has been my friend, let's just say that. Then I got, at the holiday time, I got introduced, thanks to Jeannie, to the foodie box from Glamlight, and I was like, I need some more. And so they had these bundles, and then there was 30% off the bundles. And so I got this this bundle, and it's got the Glamlight burger, and it comes wrapped up like a burger. And it's really pretty color story. And we'll put that over there. Then there's a donut that comes in a little donut box. This one stays in the box really well. And a little plastic there. It's very beautiful, very festive, very spring. Then I got Street Taco. And it is super cute. And I really love this. This is probably one I'm going to keep. I'm either going to sell some of these or put them in giveaways. And I've already sold one of these palettes to a good friend of mine. I've already used another palette. I've used this one. You guys saw this earlier this month. The Meat Pizza Lovers palette with that beautiful color story. So you've seen that. And then this is one that I sold to a friend of mine, the Glamlight Pizza Slice palette, the Vegetarian, the Veggie palette, the Veggie Lovers, that's what it's called. And that is what that looks like. So that was a really good deal and a great haul to try some more of the Glamlight. And then don't worry, there's more. There's more. There's always more. There's always room for Jell-O. And then I am trying some things from my friend James TBL MUA. He goes on and on about Vanessa Myricks, and I got a highlighter from Vanessa Myricks, and it's a liquid highlighter. Let me make sure my hand is clean and dry, and it's beautiful, and it is in the color like Synergy. Oh, a lot came out. But look at that. That's just beautiful. So nice. And I've got another thing from Vanessa. I've got a highlight palette, which I'm super excited about. And it is beautiful. The packaging is upside down, but it is super gorgeous. And look at these highlights. Let's do some swatches. And there they are in the middle. 1, 2, 3. And those are blinding. I don't even have highlight. I have highlight underneath my foundation. I don't even have highlighter on right now. Let's put a little on. Just for fun. We're going to go into this one called Like Duh. I love the name. Oh my God. I was looking at this palette in my living room and the light is super dim in the living room. That is blinding and so glassy. Oh, this was a good purchase. Even though I've got like a million highlighters, I'm still feeling good about it. That's fantastic. Ooh, needs to be blended in. Oh, so good. Then I decided to try a company that I've heard about and my friends were raving about. And the Peachy Queen, I got 2 palettes from Peachy Queen. I got the tarot card with the lovers. And this is a gorgeous color story. And I've only swatched a couple of the colors, but they seem fantastic. And this is, you know, pinkies and greenies. It's all Rhonda's kind of deal. And then I got the We're All Mad Here palette. You know, that's supposed to be the Cheshire Cat from Alice in Wonderland, and I am a huge Alice in Wonderland fan. And look how pretty that is. Look at those blues and that purple, and it's just really a fresh color story, and I can't wait to use these palettes on the channel. And the last thing that I got was on sale. It's the Beauty Blender Bounce Foundation, and I got it for half off at Sephora. It's still on sale for half off at Sephora and at Beauty Blender's website. And I also had a 20% off coupon, so it made it like $16. Normally it's $40, so it's on sale for $20. And I got it for like $16. And I've got this foundation on today, and it looks fantastic. And it's not heavy. It lets my under brightener show through, but it still looks young and dewy. And I'm really excited to have this. So that was a lot of stuff. My desk is full. My heart is full. And stuff doesn't make me a good person. It just means I got, oh no, I lied. There's 2 more things. And stuff doesn't make you a good person. I just happen to get lucky and have some Afterpay available. There are 2 new e.l.f. palettes, and they are the mint palettes. And one is all soft mints, and then this is neutral with a pop of mint. And these were like $4 a piece on the e.l.f. website. I got them a little early. I've had them for a while, but they're still new to this video. So with that, I'm grateful for the ability to have the stuff that I have. And I can't wait to share it all with you guys on the channel. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you real soon.